Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always so much fun having you here. I personally learned a ton and hope all of our viewers do as well.
I hope so
too. What are we doing today?
Okay, so we are really breaking from our norm, which is to really stick with mostly vegetables, but fruits and vegetables, whole grains. But today we're incorporating sardines, and that might sound a little bit weird. We're making a sunny sardine salad, so it's going to be very much like a tuna salad, so don't be afraid.
So if you're familiar with that, and if you like tuna, you're probably going to slide right into this with no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
And the reason we're doing that is because sardines are extremely affordable. They're very high in omega-3s, and they are a very small fish, and so they're not full of heavy metals like some of the larger fish are.
Oh, true.
Yep.
True. Okay.
Okay, so 1 can of these has almost all the omega-3s recommended daily for adults.
Really?
Okay, and it's one of the things that's really lacking in the American diet. So if you can just incorporate this several times a week, you're going to be doing yourself a real favor.
Exactly. It's going to get you where you need.
Yes, and this is super, super easy.
And it's not that big in reality. You're not taking a ton of it at one time.
Right, this is just,
that's a day's worth, correct?
Yeah, isn't that crazy? Like almost a day's worth.
Right.
Okay, so we're making 2. This is going to be, it depends on what you want, but they are the whole fish. And you just go ahead and smash it all together with a fork. Get everything, so kind of think about tuna salad again.
So you're not having to do anything with it. I will be totally honest. I have not cooked with sardines before. I'm going to put it out there. So you don't have to do anything to them. You just literally dumped them in and you're crushing them up just like you would a can of tuna or something of that effect.
Yeah,
right?
These are, we did drain them. That's the only thing.
Okay.
So I opened up the can and drained them. So you can find, these are packed in water. You can also get them packed in oil. If you get oil, I would suggest olive oil. That is going to make them obviously much higher in fat and calories.
Okay.
And we're going to put in a little bit of olive oil, some Dijon mustard.
Okay. That makes everything good, right?
No, it really does. Some red onion that's been soaked in some lemon juice, and there's some lemon zest in here, and that's what makes it sunny, right?
I was going to say, it looks so bright and colorful now.
Yeah. So that's all just getting mixed together.
Okay.
A good bit of parsley, chopped parsley, and you can get a little bit crazy with this. Crazy, right?
Right, crazy with the parsley.
Mint, basil, also fantastic additions, but we just wanted to add something that was really accessible all year round. And unless you're growing your own herbs, those herbs can be a little bit more expensive at the grocery store.
Okay. And is this something that could be a full meal? Is this considered snack? It just depends on what you put with it.
Yeah, I'm going to say that it's a great snack, but you could also eat this for your lunch, especially if you had some nice healthy crackers. And I'm just going to give it an extra squeeze. It's going to be extra sunny.
It's extra sunny with the lemon.
Yes.
Okay, and I have to admit, from where it started, because again, I've not done anything with sardines before, this is a whole different look once you've added those additional ingredients in. And it does create just like this sunny salad that you're about to have.
Okay, so grab a cracker.
All right, I'm grabbing my cracker, my fork.
And I'm sure I already said this, but they are extremely affordable. And you could talk your kids into this. It's a great thing to send for lunch, great thing for you to take for lunch. But I actually just love this. I want other people to love it too.
Oh my goodness, it's very good.
Yeah, it is very good.
It's very good. It's refreshing with that lemon. I'm still eating, but I think it's great. Everybody should give this a try. You can find this on kjrh.com.